We're to find A1 in an arithmetic sequence where we know A5 and A14. So we know the fifth term and the 14th term. So think about that for a minute. Somewhere along your sequence, you have this fifth term, and it has the number 12 sitting there. And then later on in your sequence, you have the 14th term, and it has the number 75 sitting there. And you know it's arithmetic. So you know that some common difference was used along here to take 12 from 75. For 12 to get all the way to 75, it would have to increase, let's see, 75 minus 12 by 63. And basically, when we look at the numbers, we see that's not one increase. It's not like our common difference is 63 because we're not going straight from 12 to 75. It takes us 9 spots or 9 different units to get all the way to that 75. So if we take the difference of 63, 9 different times it was used, we get 7, which is our D, our common difference. Now that I know that that's my common difference, I can look to write my rule. The bummer here is that to determine A1, I basically need a pair of n and a sub n that I know can be plugged in simultaneously. We actually have two options. We know that A5 is equal to 12. That basically means when n is 5, an is 12. We also know the same thing, that A14 is equal to 75. So that basically means when n is 14, an is 75. So I could choose either one of these pairs to plug in. I'm going to go ahead and use 5 and 12 with my equation. So I'm going to plug in 12 for an when I plug in 5 for n. And so I'm going to have 12 equals A1 plus 4 times 7 is 28. If I subtract 28 from both sides, I'm going to get that A1 is equal to negative 16.